Hi my good people, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm dealing with a BMW 320i series. Driver complains sort of some hard start in the morning, and then a very loud noise from the exhaust in the morning when cold. So when the vehicle heats up, it idles well. So check the plugs, check the coils, everything was in order. The engine has no fault codes, so we checked the exhaust systems. So tag along as we try to sort out this issue. So this is the vehicle. See, this is a 320i. So as we try to check if it has any codes, so you can always check the code using this button to see if there are any stored codes. So you go to vehicle information, then you go to vehicle status, then you check the codes, then you scroll down to so you scroll and you go to check control. So this is the button you use to scroll back, front, like that. So once you come, you go down to check control, click. Bonnet open, of course the hood is open, so that's a fault. The fuel gauge, the low fuel, washer fluid. So the car has no engine fault codes. So that means our problem is not with the engine, but somewhere else. So come as we check and see. We check the plugs. We check the shooting coils. The shooting coils are working well. So I decided to check the exhaust. So we remove the exhaust pipe. So this is the exhaust pipe off. Exhaust pipe, there was no leak. So then we check the catalytic converter. So we remove the catalytic converter, but alas, nothing inside. Nothing inside. The catalytic converter was removed and broken. And this is a very common theft nowadays because the catalytic converter material has some rare metals which are sold in the local markets, black market. So this is our client's problem. And no catalytic converter, so his fuel consumption slightly goes up, vehicle performance slightly affected. And then so this is it. So this client has to buy this whole unit, unfortunately. Yes, so my good people, from today's video, I would just advise you to be very vigilant and very careful on who you give your vehicle to service, because some of us are very malicious, and well, you might take a car for one problem and now they cause you another problem, because that catalytic converter is not cheap. For this particular model, I've looked on eBay, is about $799 minus shipping. So this guy has a total bill of around plus shipping and again markup, give or take 130,000 Kenya shillings to fix a catalytic converter. So again, thanks for watching the video. You're always welcome, and I request you to, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and let's grow together. Share our videos with your friends who have not subscribed, so that we give more ideas, we give more insight and more teachings on motor vehicles. Yes. So thank you, and on to the next video.